Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes after all the arguments are heard, and how a judge arrives at their carefully crafted verdict? It is a fascinating process that balances many complex factors. Judges develop the rationale for their decisions primarily by meticulously applying established legal principles to the specific facts presented in a case. Their goal is to issue a ruling that is legally sound, consistent, and justifiable, explaining their reasoning clearly for all parties involved and for future legal reference. The core mechanism behind a judge's decision-making involves several key elements. First, they conduct a thorough examination of the factual record, sifting through evidence and testimony to establish what actually happened. Second, they identify the relevant legal rules, which can come from statutes, previous court decisions known as precedent, or constitutional provisions. Third, they engage in a careful process of legal interpretation, analyzing how those rules apply to the established facts. This ensures that their decision is not arbitrary but is instead deeply rooted in the law, providing predictability and fairness within the judicial system. For those seeking to understand a judicial decision, start by carefully reading the judge's written opinion. Pay close attention to the section where the judge outlines the undisputed facts and then transitions to how they apply the law. Look for explicit references to statutes or prior cases, as these are the building blocks of the legal argument. Understanding this structure helps you follow the judge's logical path, revealing how they connect the case's specifics to broader legal principles. Within these opinions, you will often encounter key legal concepts that guide the decision. One crucial concept is stare decisis, which means to stand by things decided. This principle dictates that courts generally adhere to precedents set by previous rulings in similar cases, ensuring stability and consistency in the law. Judges also identify the asterisk ratio decidendi asterisk, which is the essential legal reasoning that forms the binding part of the decision. Anything else, like broader observations, is considered obiter dictum asterisk, or things said by the way, and is not legally binding. Ultimately, the meticulous development of a judge's rationale serves a vital purpose: to ensure justice is administered fairly and transparently. By carefully weighing facts against established law and precedent, judges uphold the rule of law and provide clarity for everyone. This deliberate and reasoned approach allows for a legal system that is both predictable and adaptable, reinforcing public trust in the judiciary and guiding future legal conduct.